Cynful Instant Pot Garlic Chicken Pasta. This is what you'll need, and I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. We're going to start by pressing saute, and then start. And add our olive oil once it gets hot. It'll say hot on the front. And add our garlic. Now we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes or until they start to get brown. Like that. And then add our shallots and cook for 1 more minute. And then the chicken in another 3 minutes. So we're just going to get the chicken to where it's seared on the outside but still pink. So you'll still see some pink. Now we made some garlic broth by 2 teaspoons of the Better Than Bouillon and 3 cups of hot water. I also added the white wine to this, so go ahead and pour that in. Add your seasonings, your Italian seasonings. Stir that in. Try to scrape the brown bits off the bottom. You want as much of that flavor as you can. Then pour the pasta on top. Do not stir this. All we're going to do is gently press the pasta into the liquid. Get as much as you can covered with the liquid. Some sitting up top will be just fine. But just try to get as much as you can in the liquid. Go ahead and put the top on. Make sure it's set to pressure or steam. Hit cancel to stop the saute. Then pressure cook or manual. We're going to lower our time to 6 minutes. And then press start. And we can walk away from this at this point. Once the timer goes off, we're going to do a quick release by pressing the vent valve. And once the pin drops, you can take the top off. Now you're going to notice the pasta is somewhat stuck together. We're going to stir and kind of break that up a little bit and stir the chicken all into it. And then we're going to add butter. Now the butter will help to release the pasta from each other and make it break up a little bit easier. Let that butter melt. Then add your garlic powder and your Parmesan. Stir that in and let the Parmesan melt. And last, we're going to add the cream. Now this is going to make it really creamy, so stir that in, get it all combined, and then let it rest for 3 to 5 minutes. Serve it up. I put it in a bowl and I topped it with a little bit more of the Italian seasoning. You can use pepper, you can use Parmesan cheese, you can use minced parsley. And there it is. Thank you for joining me today for this garlic Parmesan chicken. Please like and subscribe. Also comment. It helps with the algorithms and helps me get my recipes out there to the world. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.